So my Sweet4Fuel is here. Let's see what's in the box. I'll admit, I cheated. I opened up the box because I wanted one particular item out of there to give to my husband yesterday. So it's open. I didn't look through all of it though, so a lot of it's going to be a surprise to me as it is to you. The first item is ripped suede. And this is for my husband's feet, believe it or not. He loves to do pedicures on himself. But notice she packaged it in like cool gel packs to try to keep it from getting jacked up. So anyway, I'm really excited about this. This is what it looks like on the inside. All right, so what else did I get? Pardon the nails, I did not. I just took the nail polish off, so they're going to look kind of jacked up. All right, first thing is solitaire. And I don't know. I feel that there are chunks in here. So I don't know what the chunks are. I don't know. I'll be right back. As soon as I stopped the camera, I remembered what it was. Solitaire is, there's gemstones in there. Not real gemstones, just like bath bomb gemstones. And yeah, I can't wait to use it. Every time she uses jasmine or vanilla musk, it's just amazing. So I cannot wait. So there's one of them that I squished to the top, one of the gemstones. I don't want to open these because I don't want to. All right. Next I have, I think this is called Don't Be Crabby. Yeah, Don't Be Crabby. So cute. Then I have a little tiny unicorn guy. He's cute. There's no label on him, so I'm just going to call him Little Tiny Unicorn Guy. It's really vibrant colors. Love it. Next item is Wawa melon. I'm going to have to put you guys on pause because I want to show you what's in there, because I do remember what's in this one. So inside of there are little watermelon wedges. How cute is that? Again, Wawa melon in sweet juicy watermelon. What's the next one? Moon dust. Oh my gosh, this was so pretty when she posted it online that I just ran straight online and ordered it. Let me show you what's in here. So what's in here are little round or half round balls, because there's like half of the ball, in different bright and beautiful colors. These that I was able to push to the top are, as you can see, red and vibrant pink. So cute. This is scented in musky florals, lemon, mandarin, and vanilla. What's next? Shut up and kiss me. Raw sugar, mandarin, and warm vanilla bean. Let me see what's in here. Inside this one is little tiny lips. And I think I saw it also in red in there, but I wasn't able to get it to the top. But it smells amazing. As I was trying to squish it to get the item to the top. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Love this one. So what's next? We have this delicious looking ice cream cone. It's so cute. Summer scoop. There is that warm vanilla again. Sweet fruits, warm vanilla, and caramelized sugar. Oh my gosh. This smells awesome. So what's next? All right, and here we have, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Island Time Bath Bomb. Don't know what it's scented in. Probably scented in delicious. This reminds me of the Extra Galactic in the colors. I cannot wait to use this one. It's going to be awesome. And next, this is so cute. I believe I had one from her before. Sweet Sailing Bath Bomb, Spicy Floral Sea Salt, and Sweet Amber. Very pretty and sparkly. I'm not sure if the one from last year was sparkly though. What's next? Oh, look at this. Not your problem anymore. In crisp lime and warm vanilla. How cute is that? Got me a nacho, y'all. Full of cheese. So sparkly. All right, what's next? Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Look at it. This is called Double Stack Hot Buttered Maple Syrup. Look at it. Sparkly. Oh my gosh, this is just adorable. Lovely. Do I have anything more? Yes, I do. Oh, Egg Hunt. This is scented in grape soda, and another one that looks like the Extra Galactic. It's beautiful. Thank you. I think this one that I'm pulling out is the last one. Oh, no, it's not. All right, we have this gorgeous little fishy. Fancy the Fish Bath Bomb, lime, neroli, and frankincense. That's gonna smell awesome. How cute is that? I'm dropping stuff. How cute is it though? Oh my gosh. Love Sweet4Fuel. All right, now I believe I have, nope, I don't have the last. Cucumber melon sugar scrub sample. Love cucumber melon. Who doesn't? Who doesn't? All right, now I believe it's the last one. I keep saying it's the last one and it's not the last one. This is the last one. This is Sandcastle. I can't remember the full name of it. There's no label. She sent it to me because it was jacked up and I had done a demo on it before, and it's got a little bit of damage here at the top, but it's still going to be used to the fullest. How cute is it though? So cute. All right, so what do we have? We have this sand castle. Very pretty. Why is my camera not focusing? Next, we have the, what was it called? Island Time. What's going on with my other Island Time? And then we had the Extra Galactic. I'm sorry, the Extra Galactic. I'm stuck on that. Egg Hunt and grape soda. We have this adorable not your problem anymore. So cute. We have this cute little, I think she calls these bath cookies when they're this small, unicorn. We have the Summer Scoop, which smells, I mean, like I need to use it now. We have the Don't Be Crabby. Shimmery. We have the Sweet Sailing. So cute. We have the, what was this called? Fancy the Fish. So colorful. We had the Double Stack. Amazingly adorable Double Stack Bath Bomb. We had the sample, which is super shimmery, and it is cucumber melon. Next we had the Rip Suede. It's a body scrub, I believe. Crazy. I can't even talk right now. You guys will forgive me. Then we had Solitaire that has the gems inside of it, the different color gems. So sparkly. We have Shut Up and Kiss Me. Also sparkly. We had the Moon Dust, which I might have to use tonight because I've been waiting for this for a while. I want to see all the different colors in it. And then lastly, we had the Wawa Melon Bath Bomb Dust with the watermelon wedges bath bombs inside. So that's all that I had from Sweet4Fuel, and I love every single thing, and I'm sure you guys do too. So get your order on sweet4fuel.com.